to 6:45. I was in the wrong location.
2020 will be remembered throughout history as the year of the C-19 pandemic, but more importantly, the year that changed us all forever. It changed the entire world in a blink of an eye, and now it has created a new global normal for all human beings. Goods were classified as one of two things: essential or non-essential. Stores closed, panic buying ensued. Most of us either saw the damage done, went through the struggles of this disease, or helped those who were less fortunate than us. Nevertheless, we all pitched in and helped those around us, whether they were near and dear or simply neighbors of our communities around the world. "2020 was also the year that Jeanne and I made the decision to sell, give away, or throw out everything we owned and retire and travel the world in pursuit of an ever-improving life to come for us. We are meeting new people, sharing the beauty of the human experience, and bringing you all that is good in life through our travel channel. August 1st, 2020, first day of our retirement. We've been here for 62 days, here at the Marriott in Sono, and this is it, we're checking out. Goodbye, Connecticut. What if what's left of this short life we are given here on Earth could be transformed into a fulfilling journey into the human experience? What if it's true that all you needed to do to participate in this journey is to give up everything you own, and in return you get back all your freedom, and that is the human experience? What if this journey of joining the human experience overcomes the fear of doing it? What if it didn't matter how many times we changed our mind on the direction of this journey, because one unknown adventure always leads into the next unknown adventure, which in turn leads into another unknown adventure, and it continues to unfold forever? What if instead of worrying what the future will bring for us, we start enjoying the future as it unfolds for us? What if we choose not to control any aspect of the future anymore? On July 31st, 2020, we said goodbye to our past and our traditional 9-to-5 jobs in information technology and said hello to our future in pursuit of an ever-improving life to come. We made the decision to travel the world, meet new people, share the human experience, and reflect on everything that's good in life. In order to do this, we practically needed to get rid of everything we owned and get used to living with less. If it wasn't essential, we sold it, gave it away, or threw it out. It was those things you think you're going to use, that you might need someday, that you're keeping just in case, that really held us hostage from pursuing this dream. Quoting Chuck Palahniuk, the author of Fight Club, "The things you own end up owning you. It's only after you lose everything that you're free to do anything." We've chosen this unusual way of life, and as a result, we are now completely stress-free and happy. We don't worry about job security, reporting to our bosses, being accountable, planning and saving for retirement, mortgages and household bills. We don't regret our decision to get rid of everything. Travel has made us realize the pointlessness of material possessions. We're happier than ever before. Everything we own fits into a carry-on and a knapsack. Happiness comes in many forms for many people, but for us, we find our joy through traveling and participating in the human experience. We are meeting new people, sharing the beauty of the human experience, and bringing you all that is good in life through our travel channel. Instead of giving you a step-by-step account, you can quickly catch up to us via our YouTube travel channel, which vlogs our adventures so far. We would be honored if you subscribe to our channel and follow us around the world. If you press the bell, you'll be notified when new content is released by us.
Just gotta show you this real quick. Jeannie's freaking out because this place has a sign that says crocodiles. I'm saying, yeah, right. Well, guess what? There he is right there.
We wish each and every one of you and your families, above all, good health, followed by some sense of inner peace and enough prosperity to meet your needs in the future. Hopefully, 2021 will bring us all back to some sense of normality, if that is even ever possible again.